Whether it's for game day or saying sorry to your girl, these pizza roses are perfect for every occasion. They are so delicious. Only take a few ingredients and they're super easy to make. I saw these on Pinterest and I immediately saved it and had to try making some. I only used one pizza dough sheet, which makes about 6 or 7 depending on how big you cut them. I just kind of eyeballed it, and then I took a half a block of mozzarella cheese and sliced that up like so, and took this pizza squeeze sauce bottle, and then I just placed the sauce, some cheese, and then the pepperonis. These are sandwich size pepperonis, so they are bigger than the regular ones, and then I went ahead and rolled it up like so, and then you want to place it in a muffin tin. I went ahead and rubbed some butter on the inside and some garlic salt, so you can get some flavor on the outside of that pizza dough. And then I just went ahead and went to town, and look how freaking cute they turned out. And I read something a while ago that if you have open muffin tins like this, you can fill them with water and it helps everything else cook evenly. I don't know if that's true or not, but I did it either way. And then I just went ahead and baked these at 375 for 20 minutes. Y'all, so good.